Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. ATOK latest updates. ATOK X Bitget airdrop campaign. Earn more ATOK points by doing this. If you want to earn more ATOK points, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the necessary thing you can now do here on this ATOK X Bitget airdrop campaign so that you earn more ATOK stroke USDT. Now, this is their latest update. They said ATOK X Bitget media campaign win share of $5,000, and this campaign starts March 19th and it's going to end on March 25th. How do you participate in this ATOK and X Bitget airdrop? You can participate by just completing the task to claim your share. There is a task you need to complete right away to claim the share. Over here is the site whereby you can complete this little task there and you'll be able to win this $5,000 and some ATOK point. So right here we are going to click on this link. I'm also going to attach it in the video description. If you have not started mining ATOK airdrop, the link will also be there. Do well to start mining. ATOK is a very good project that has a strong potential. Do not fail this airdrop for any reason. Link in the video description. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe, like and share, and also join my WhatsApp for more updates. Now let's type on this link where we can complete this campaign. So right here is the campaign. User who complete ATOK related tasks will have a chance to share Bitget wallet tasks to get ATOK tokens reward. This giveaway does not constitute any investment advice. Only Bitget wallet address can get this reward. So anything you are doing here, know that you are doing it at your own accord. This is not a financial advice. So right there you can now see the task to perform that will give you this chance of winning the $5,000 and also some ATOK points. So the first one is to submit your Bitget wallet, download the app, join ATOK news on Telegram, follow Don C on S, follow ATOK app on S, refer friends for extra entries. So these are the tasks we are going to do, but right now we are going to go to our Bitget wallet to copy our address, then we'll come back and continue. So right there we are going to click on this profile to copy our address, wallet address. Tap here. So over here you can now see my wallet. Tap on my wallet, this icon, to copy the wallet address. Tap on it, copied. So let's go back. So you're going to click on this first task, which is to submit your Bitget wallet address. Paste the address that you copied. Then you click on continue. Address not valid. We're going to click on the wallet here. Then let's copy BNB wallet. Let's search for BNB so that we can copy the wallet address. BNB. So this is BNB, that's Binance Smart Chain. Let's copy the address. Since the first one we did not go, they say the valid address is incomplete. Then click here to copy. Click on receive to copy. So let's submit our Bitget wallet address. Then you click on continue. Good, we have done that task. In order to contact you, we need an email. So we need to put an email, your full name and email, then you continue. You click on save. So put your full email, your full name, your email, then you continue. Once you put your full name and your email, you click on save. So join news on Telegram, you see it. This is the Telegram. Click on join to join the news to complete the task. Okay, I've joined. Now let's go back. Go back to the site. I've completed this one. They now say follow us on S. Already followed. Click on already follow. Put in your if you have already followed them on S, put in your S account or username. Then you continue. Now click on continue. I've done this one. I've also done this Telegram. Click on continue. I've done this one. Then follow this person on S. tap on it, follow on S. Then I'm done follow. Go back. Once you follow the person on S, you go back. Now already followed, put in your username, then you continue. Then another one is to refer friend for extra entry. Tap on it. You refer a friend. You copy this. Then you share to your friends. Let me share on WhatsApp. Let me share it on WhatsApp. Tap on it. I've shared it on WhatsApp. Now let's go back. So the last task that is remaining here, which is to download the app. I already have the app, so there's no need downloading it, and it's not clicking on. It's saying visit our app to continue, and I have visited the app, but still I did not continue. So that is it. If you, by doing so, complete it, and if you know how I can actually complete this one, you can inform me in the comment section. By me doing this, you'll be able to acquire more ATOK rewards, and you'll be able to win 5,000 USDT. You'll be among the people that will share the 5,000 USDT. So that is it for this video. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also join my WhatsApp for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.